Welcome to the Kilo Charlie experience. Here at Kilo Charlie, we have one thing in mind: comfortability of our customers and great prices. Follow me. Cut for a buck. Here is the training room and target room. Training room for any class that you would like to attend that we offer. On to the range. Here we have our glorious 8-lane range that can accommodate up to 20 people. Here's our competition board, comments board. If you're interested in taking a CWP class from us, check our website out, www.kilocharlieshootingrange.com. Also, if you're interested in any shooting classes, let us know, and we'll do everything in our power to make you a better shot. So, we look forward to seeing y'all, but until then, have to get back to work. Later.